In this lesson, we'll cover some basic instrument setup and maintenance to help you get started. Let's start with the bow. Pick up the bow and tighten the screw until the bow hair pulls the bow stick. The stick should still be bent. When tightened properly, you should be able to fit a pinky between the bow hair and the stick in the middle of the bow. The stick should still look curved. Be careful not to over-tighten the bow. This can bend your stick or break the bow. Now, loosen the bow until the hair is loose. This is what should happen every time you are done playing and putting your equipment away. Never leave a bow tightened. It can also bend the stick and may break the bow. Let's rosin the bow. This is rosin. Rosin is made out of tree sap and it's very sticky. Rosin is used to allow the bow to grip the strings and make a sound. Hold the rosin in your left hand, and then with a tightened bow, rub the rosin onto the bow hairs. Later on, you can use your bow hold to hold the bow, and this makes rosining a lot easier. In general, the bow hair should be white with rosin from frog to tip when you first apply it. If the hair is already white, a gentle dusting is all that you need. To check the bow's rosin, gently take your thumbnail and scrape the hair. If you are well rosined, you should see a dust cloud. Rosin is really sticky and it will bond to the oils in your skin and discolor the bow hair. Try to avoid touching the rosin too much, or you'll end up with a black bow. This will preserve your bow hair and keep your bow clean. Because rosin makes a great deal of dust, this dust will get all over your instrument. It's really important that you clean the rosin dust off as much as possible. If you leave it on the instrument, it'll bond to the varnish and then destroy the top of the instrument if you're not careful. To clean a viola, you'll need a cleaning rag. I recommend a microfiber cloth, the same kind that you would use to wipe down a car or a pair of glasses. Let's clean this viola. So first you're going to pick up the instrument by the neck, trying to avoid touching the body. Hold it firmly and gently dust off the rosin from the string's top and fingerboard. The more you do this, the less chance you take of a buildup that could destroy your instrument's top.